Hello my friend, this is Nestor Nidome from the MakeMoneyFromHomeDad.com, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer your articles or your blog posts from your old system into your new WordPress Kalatu system. Okay, so it's going to be fun, it's going to be simple, and I'm going to show it to you in a step-by-step process. Also, what you're going to want to be doing is be indexing all of your blog posts over into your webmaster tools again, so Google can recognize that they're there. Okay, because let me go ahead and go into the webmaster tools right now. As you can see, what happened when I got my new Kalatu WordPress system, I started to rank. I started to go up from where I was, okay? Because I had my mapped domain in my old system and I transferred it over to the new Kalatu system. That caused a hike in traffic because of the viral system that Kalatu brings into this industry, right? So I started to rank, but all of a sudden, as you can see, my rank started to fall. And so I started to see, well, what's going on? What happened? And that's when I started to notice that I had a lot of 404 errors right here. And what that means is that Google wasn't finding my articles. So that was hurting me. That started to hurt my ranks again. And so I had to fix that. And that was because I wasn't sure if I should transfer my old blogs into my new system. So what I did is, instead of waiting for that transfer, I started to transfer. The way you're gonna have to do it is by manually. Right now there's no other way but to do it by manually. Okay. So what I suggest, if you don't have a lot of time, is to do at least the ones that you're ranking. Webmaster Tools right here shows you which ones are ranking and at what page. So you should be able to go into it. This video is not going to teach you that, because we're here only to teach you how to transfer over the blogs and how to re-index them, okay? But if you know how to use this tool, it should show you where you're ranking and what page, and then if it's getting clicks. The more traffic your blog articles are, those are the ones you want to start transferring right now, because they're getting traffic already and you don't want to miss out. That's what I did, and then I started to transfer all the rest of them. Okay, so I'm going to show you really quick. You're going to go into your crawl errors very fast. Okay, just a little note while we're waiting for this. If you are here in this video, because this video is meant for my team and also for the general public that has Kalatu, all right? So anybody who has Kalatu is great. But if you ended up in this video, or somebody shared this video with you, and you yet do not have Kalatu, then I suggest you either get with the person who invited you to this video, or if you ended up in my video, then I am more than glad to talk to you about what Kalatu is and how it could help your business no matter where you are, okay? So either get with the person who invited you in this video, or get with me, and I'll go ahead and talk to you about what this means to your business. Okay, so right here it says not found. Okay, so these are the ones that are not finding. I've been fixing little by little some of the errors. For some reason, it has other errors that are not blog posts, like Twitter feed and LinkedIn feed, and those are something that I'm not exactly sure right now, so I wouldn't know how to answer it. Maybe in another video I could, but these are blog posts that that haven't been shown up. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. If you are transferring blog posts from another system that is not Empowered Network, okay, because I'm using the old Empowered Network system, then you will want to transfer everything before you cancel that subscription or you do anything over there, because you might not have access to it, okay? If you did have an Empowered Network account before and you had a map domain and you grabbed that map domain and put it into your new Kalatu, just like I did, then you should still have access to your old blogging system, okay? The simplest way to do it is by using the name or the title that you used in your Empowered Network. Like for instance, with me, I choose the MakeMoneyFromHomeDad.com, the same one. So it was the same exact way I wrote it as the same exact way I wrote it now. And what happens is that, if you notice, is the MakeMoneyFromHomeDad.com period Empowered Network period com. Okay, so .com, so .empowerednetwork.com. That, when you put it in there, it should take you to your old version, or the old version of the blogging system, okay? And this is where you're gonna get all your information, so you can start transferring them over, okay? The great thing about this is that I'll show you right now the power of this, okay? So let's say we go to this one, like how to create sales responsiveness for your leads, right? So this is blog slash how to create. So if I push this button right here, if I push that, if I click on the link, it shows me the actual URL. If I click on that URL, it's gonna take me to it's gonna try to go to my old blog, but the problem is that it has that slash blog the slash. So I mean, so it says, the make money from home.com / blog / then the thing, but there's nothing there. Okay, so I'm gonna show you right now how cool it is to be able to do it, how simple it is. The way you find this is by basically going in here and grabbing this title, right? Right click, copy, going into your old blog, and then just put / blog / and then that title. Okay, and then once you do that, just push enter, and that should go straight into that original blog post. That's the easiest way to do it. So you don't have to be finding through dates or anything like that. Very simple. So as you can see, I'm in the blog post right here already. Okay, don't worry about the comments. The comments, yeah, they help you with SEO, but you can't transfer those over. But it hurts you more if you have errors, right? And it hurts you more also if you're ranking and they're going to a blank page, right? So I will lose the comments, because the comments you can get them back later on if you syndicate again. So if you syndicate again, those comments you should get from new people more comments than Kalatu. So okay, so the easiest way to do it, and it's just basically copy paste. Okay, just copy paste everything. I already have my dashboard right here. Just go down a little bit, go to post, new post. Okay, and it's just gonna be a copy paste. The pictures, just go ahead and grab them again. If you have them in the computer, then put them up again. If you don't have them, just save them up again in your desktop or something, and then upload them. For this particular video, I'm not gonna do that. You should know how to do that. I'm just gonna go ahead and really quickly do it so I can show you what I do. So what I would do is, maybe take like an extra 5 minutes from how I'm gonna take from this video, probably less, to be able to transfer those pictures over. Here's a little clue though. Here's a little tip, that if you're doing this already, might as well take a little time to fix it, right? To fix it up. Maybe you have like old links that used to go to these to these capture pages that are not working anymore, or you have new funnels or something. Then you want to link them to them, change a little bit of the words so it can make sense. But that's what I would do. I mean, that's what I've been doing. I'm in here already fixing this. Might as well change the old links that are not working, because sometimes that's how it is. All right. So and see, I would just copy the whole thing and then just transfer it over to my new Kalatu blog. Of course, I will grab the picture, save it, put it. I will use this opportunity to be able to just choose a category, choose a tag, put better tags, right? More current tags. Basically, change whatever you need to do. If you gotta maybe write a little bit more, because let's say it was ranking before and you wanted to rank a little better so you can get it on the #1 spot, then fix it up. I mean, you're doing it anyway, so you don't do double time doing this. Put the feature time, right? The feature image, fix your Facebook preview, do all that stuff. Better, more engaging. So because you're already spending time doing this, so might as well just spend like an extra 2 minutes, extra 3 minutes to do that. Because how long will it take me to grab that picture and put it in here? Maybe go over the links or something, and like these ones, where are they going or something, and change them up, right? So that's what I would do. I would take a little extra time to fix that. Okay. So now that that's done, the next important thing is to make sure that it's in the right date. Right, so it's November 15, 2014. So I will be, I'm sorry, it was November 15, right? So November 15, I'll go into publish immediately, but I'm going to put edit. So it's November, right? I keep forgetting, my short-term memory is not that great, apparently. November 15, 2014, and that's going to place it in the same position that it used to be. So Google, so Google can find it, right? So then I will go ahead and publish this. And this is the great thing is, right now when I went to my webmaster tools and I click on that link, it took me to a blank page, right? But in my new Kalatu, if you notice, in my new Kalatu, not the other one. So this is the cool thing about this, is that if you've been, of course, you've been sharing all these links for your blog articles all over social media, all over the place, and you don't want to lose that, right? So the great thing is you won't, because what happens is that, see, when even if it has blog forward slash and your new title does not have that blog post, when you click on it, it takes you to the new blog now. Now this is great. See, now it doesn't have an error. Now it actually finds something. It doesn't say blank page. Now it's the one right there. Of course, it would look nicer if I would have spent a little bit more time. And this is the one you're gonna want to grab. So you're gonna want to grab this title right here, right? Copy. Go to your Webmaster Tools. It says right here, fetch as Google. You want to go ahead and fetch it as Google, okay? That means indexing. That means that you're indexing this article. As of course, the title's already here, so you can either click and paste, or you can just erase the forward slash blog. Right there, I will push fetch. It will fetch it. Google will check it. All of a sudden, it will re-index it, and everything should be fine again. You put marks as fixed, and what's gonna do is gonna erase it from your list of errors. If it does find an error later, it'll show up again, but it should fix it, and it should not show up again, and your ranking should start going up. Okay, so I'm gonna cancel this because I'm gonna actually fix it really good before I do anything. But with that, my friends, that's how simple it is to transfer everything. So you want to transfer it all as manually. It takes about maybe like 5 minutes or so per blog post. So if you have a lot of them, it shouldn't take you a lot. In an hour you can get a lot of them done, because you don't really have to think about it. Just copy and paste, and then fix them up right here. Re-index them and make sure that you erase the error so your ranking can go up. Just a little tip before I let you go. If you do go to the makemoneyfromhome.com, where you should be because you're watching this video, unless you're watching it on YouTube, then there's a link below to go to my blog post. If you scroll down to the categories, I have a how-to videos, okay? If you like this video, then you'll probably like the how-to videos in there, because I've done more kind of technical things like this with blogs and with other stuff, with other programs. So make sure you check that tab out and check all the other videos, okay? Because it might be something that you might be looking for, okay? If you're not so much of a tech savvy, there might be an answer. If you don't find the answer in there, let me know, because these videos, I always do them because my team members come to me asking me for questions how to do stuff, and instead of me trying to go one person by one person, I create something like this and then share it with everybody in the team as well as the outside community. All right, so go ahead and let me know. Put some comments on the bottom of this video or on the bottom of the blog, this blog article, letting me know if you have questions. Also, let me know if you like this, if you got some value out of this, and also, like I said, share it with your team members. Share it with the outside world if you believe that it's going to give some value to those people. I don't mind, and so sorry about getting tongue-tied. I always get tongue-tied toward the end. But with that, my friend, this is Nestor Nidome from the MakeMoneyFromHome.com, and I'll see you on the next training.